Hey, good morning, everybody, or whatever time it is that I post this out and you're watching it. But I've got a single pack. This is going to be a quick video, but it's 84 Donruss. So, super excited, of course, about the possibilities here, provided that this thing hadn't been messed with. And I'm the worst at being able to tell that. So, well, let's just see how we do. And I guess the cards will speak for themselves. But 84 Donruss packs are harder to come by than, some of the other 80s products I like to open. So we'll just have to see if we get a hot one here. Got a piece of the puzzle, and now, okay, of course. All right, so a sweet Eddie Murray Diamond King. I love that. Jerry Mumphrey. One of the best sets here of all time, in my opinion. These are some really. This one looks like very well centered and sharp. Hall of Famer Alan Trammell. So that's a hit, quote unquote hit. Aurelio Lopez making an interesting face. I might have to send that one to Bob Lewis. Ken Griffey Sr. It's a pretty decent one. Mike Fitzgerald, not as well centered. Larry Herndon. Oh, that's a cool Julio Franco card. Early in his career too. He played till he was like 50 something. He played forever. But I really like that. I like Julio Franco, and I think he's a Hall of Very Good type player. So let's put him up there. Just a few left. Okay, so, you can't expect too much out of these packs, and Mattingly or a Strawberry would have been just like unbelievable. But pretty pleased with these three guys. And I just like the 84 Donruss, as so many of you do as well. So that was fun, and I hope it took some of you back a little bit. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks for watching.